Please welcome Paul Rudd and Sarah Paulson.
In Duck Soup, Chico Marx asks, who are you going to believe, me or your own eyes? When it comes to visual effects, the answer's not so simple.
Today's effects artists collaborate with every other department to convince audiences of even the most implausible realities. This is the kind of magic that allows the audience to believe I was actually obliterated by a truck in Bird Box.
And the same kind of magic that allows an audience to believe that I am an actor.
Here are this year's nominees for Achievement in Visual Effects.
Avengers Infinity War, Dan DeLue, Kelly Port, Russell Earl, and Dan Sudik. Christopher Robin, Christopher Lawrence, Michael Eames, Theo Jones, and Chris Corbould. First Man, Paul Lambert, Ian Hunter, Tristan Miles, and J.D. Schwam. Ready Player One, Roger Guyatt, Grady Cofer, Matthew E. Butler, and David Shirk. Solo, A Star Wars Story, Rob Brado, Patrick Tubok, Neil Scanlon, and Dominic Tui.
And the Oscar goes to First Man. Paul Lambert, Ian Hunter, Tristan Miles, and J.D. Schwam.
This is the first Oscar nomination for Tristan Miles and J.D. Schwam. The second win and second-time nominees, Paul Lambert and Ian Hunter.
Oh my goodness, what a truly magnificent moment. We did things a little bit differently on First Man, so being recognised by the Academy is all the more special. Thanks goes to my visual effects producer Kevin Elam, also Jennifer Bell and Bill Talassi at Universal. Thank you to the inspirational Damien Chazelle and our amazing cast and all the incredible heads of department, Linus, Tom, Justin, Mildred, Ailing, Nathan, Rose, Ian, Josh, Mary and Donald, who made this film so memorable. And a big shout out to Michelle Eisenreich, Rupert Porter, and all my people at DNIG Vancouver. Thank you.
Thank you again, Damien Chazelle, my amazing effects team, my wife, Erica, I love you, my two boys, John and James, and my dad, Jim, who taught me how to put the magic in movies. Thank you.
Thanks to the crew at DNIG, without whose hard work we wouldn't be stood up here tonight. Also thanks to my wife Kirsty and our two children Isabella and Eloisa for all their support over the years.
And it's an honor, it's humbling to honor Neil Armstrong and all the men and women of NASA, so thank you so much. Kirsten Beficio!